How to delete a TikTok draft. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete a TikTok draft quickly and easily. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you're inside the app, simply tap on your profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the draft section to see all your draft videos. And now in the new section, simply tap on select shown in the top right corner of the screen to enable the selection mode. Now choose the draft video that you want to delete, and after that simply tap on delete at the bottom middle of the screen. And from the pop-up menu, simply tap on delete again to confirm. And that's it. Now your TikTok draft video has been permanently removed. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.